Hello friends, today I have amazing ideas for your garden dining areas. So let's start. For entertaining occasions, how many friends will you want to invite around? Do you favor small parties or more formal lunches for large groups? Probably it will be some sort of combination of the two. But how do you use an outdoor dining table for this flexible entertaining style? If you only occasionally cater for long groups, then a mid outdoor dining table arrangement might be another answer. This is a table essentially rectangular with curved ends, but gaze burwell makes a special connecting piece. So if you have two small size tables, say seating six or eight each, then you can, when required, connect the two tables together to make one long table. For a relaxed atmosphere, your guests should be sitting comfortably, whether your preference is outdoor dining chairs, armchairs, or bench seating. We invest a great deal of design and testing time to ensure that all our outdoor seating is superbly comfortable, not without even cushions. However, you might like to add cushions to create a more genteel look, and with all the fabulous outdoor fabrics to choose from, it is no wonder that more and more people are choosing to add both seed and scatter cushions to their furniture. Outdoor cushions can easily cope with catching the odd shower. The foam and fabrics are outdoor specified, but they will look their best long term if taken inside when rain threatens. So, if you go for cushions, then make sure you have somewhere dry to store them. We can supply you as required. So, this is all about today's video, and I hope so you like all the ideas of your garden dining area, and I hope you understand how to make it. If you like our channel or videos, subscribe our channel